Hi, I'm Kevin Dake. I'm a science teacher at Litchfield High School. I teach physics, chemistry, and integrated physical science. And I'm also a faculty advisor for the LHS robotics team. We have a FIRST robotics team. First of all, I should know what FIRST is. It stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. So it's a way for our students to apply what they learned in the classroom in a real-world challenge. And this year's challenge was to take a 40-inch diameter, 7-pound trackball that you may have used in the exercise room and have the robot push it around a track, make laps, or throw it over a 6-foot barrier. So the competition was in Hartford, the Connecticut Regional. They had over 60 teams from all around New England. There was even a team from Brazil and Canada. And it was a great competition. Our guys did a great job. The robotics team, this is our third year. We've competed at the Connecticut Regional every year. The first year, we're very fortunate. We have what we call the rookie teams. We're very fortunate to have Housatonic and Watertown help us out, and we won what's called the Rookie All-Star Award. And that goes to a team that really shows the spirit of FIRST. And even though we had a very small team, they really worked hard, worked together, and had a lot of spirit in that competition. So we actually, by winning that award, got to go to the championship in Atlanta in our first year. And it was a great experience for the few kids involved, and it really helped build our team from there. This past year we've had about 20 kids participating. We had 13 actually go to the competition in Hartford. And one of the great things about this year is we had freshmen and sophomores really get involved. They actually were the drive team, where it's all sophomores plus one senior. We only have 2 seniors this year who helped start the club. But we're growing, and we've gotten some help from the LEF in the past for tools. We also got a laptop computer that you may have seen in the video of the competition. We're using a computer right on site, writing programs to do different functions of the robot and downloading it immediately to the robot. The guys go out in a competition and around, they come back to the pits, they have sometimes about an hour in between. If they want to change what the robot does, they have to rewrite the program. So somebody's sitting right in the pit, redoing the program, downloading to the robot so it can go out in the next round and do something different. So it's a great use of the computer there right at the competition. Other teams you may see, they're scouting what the other 61 teams are doing. And they're doing it right on a computer at the competition. At the end of the competition, qualifying rounds, the top 8 teams will pick other teams. And their scouting plays a big part in that. All right, from the beginning we've had many parents involved with the robotics team. Actually, Lori Powanski really spearheaded the organization of this team in the beginning. She asked me if I would be the advisor. I'd seen the program before in other schools. I thought it was a great program to start here in Litchfield. And we got it pushed through, got it started with a NASA grant. Initially the $6,000 entry fee for rookie teams. You get a grant from NASA. We have a couple engineers working with us. Lance Stronk is an engineer at Sikorsky, and he's helped us a lot with the mechanicals and the electrical part of building the robot. He also helps out with the software. So what we do is the mentors try and help the kids. If they have questions on what they're trying to do, we want to help them out. But they're there for support. Steve Rivers also worked a lot this year on the mechanical part of it, the arm that was used to pick up the ball. Dean Curtis has been involved for a couple of years. Mike Hart has been involved. And we just have a group of parents that are really through the build season do a lot of work. We meet 6 days a week, nights and weekends, through the 6-week build period. And we need a lot of help with that. So more parents, we'd like to get more parents involved, not only in the robot part, that's just one part of it. The other thing that we need help with is fundraising, of course, and other activities for the team. We have other competitions that we go to, and we always need help with that.